So I recently shifted to iPhone 11 once again. Using iPhone 11 as my daily driver, I was using this thing from a long time, but I recently came back to iPhone 11 from Android because if you watched my previous video, I made a video that I was using OnePlus in 2023, but now I'm back again to iPhone 11. Why? I'll talk about some of the things. The back cover which I'm using here is this because I'm using black color and this background. Actually, this back cover is actually looking quite good according to me. That is why I'm using this thing. It's available in offline market only, by the way. iOS 16 gives you some great lock screen customizations. Unfortunately, it's still, while making this video, it's still not available on Android as I'm using iOS 16 here. So if you just noticed, this is how my lock screen was looking like. You can customize that. I was using this, I was using that. I customize a lot of lock screen things, and I was using this one too because this looks quite good. You simply need to hold and you can browse from a lot of home screen options. You can even add your new home screen and lock screen, both of things which you can create. This looks good. Another thing is which iOS version I'm using here. I'm using iOS 16.1. Yes, iOS 16.3 is already there. I already got the update, but I am still using iOS 16.1. Why so? Because to be very honest, I'm just waiting for jailbreak. I have updated that. I had recently jailbreaked a lot of time ago, but now I'm back here. So let me show you the software update which I got already. I already had disabled automatic updates, by the way, and you can see I got the stable update of iOS 16.3, which I'm not gonna update it at any case. Also, it's not signed. I mean, 16.1 and 16.2 are not signed now. So if I go back, if I want to update 16.3, I will not be able to come back to iOS 16.1 in any case. So little bit of disappointment, and I will not update that. Also, I'm using 128GB variant and I have installed a lot of apps. You just noticed my iPhone storage, which is now full, is only 53GB. Why so? Because I have no photos, no videos in my gallery. Yes, no photos and no videos, except some videos shoot for YouTube videos, by the way. Only those clips, nothing else. I'm using Google Photos for that. And you can see both of the sims which I'm using. One sim is of course available as sim slot, and second one is eSIM which I'm using, and both of these sims are Geo. Also, Wi-Fi calling is turned on because without Wi-Fi calling I can't survive, to be honest, because in my area signal is just not so good. If you move on to the apps which I'm using right now in my device, there are a lot of apps, but some of the useful apps which I use daily are into my home screen. Other ones are just in app drawer and I don't use them. YouTube Studio, you already know that. Nicegram, which is basically Telegram, WhatsApp, Gmail, and also Paytm for my banking things, and else just basic and same things you already know. Twitter sometimes I use, sometimes I don't. Bitly for simply contacting to see the statistics or analytics of my links, and else, and done. And one more thing, because if you are iPhone user, one thing you always notice is battery. I mean, not about battery, but I'm talking about battery's health. And in my case, it's 94%. I purchased it later 2021, so it's almost 1.5 years. 94% is good, I think so. But yes, this is the thing which you can't control. I found this thing. Also, I'm using ad blocker, and if you don't know how to use ad blocker in iPhone, you can simply search for ad guard. You'll be able to download the profile, install that, and done. All the ads will be blocked. This is very useful thing, and this is available in iPhone too. But yes, this was my experience and this is what I'm using right now. This is iPhone 11, just a video to show you that I'm using iPhone 11 and things which I'm using here just for fun purpose, I think so. So if you like this, don't forget to like and share this. Goodbye.